Look at how nice this rug looks. You can see it from this angle too to get a feel for how thick it is. Hey everyone, today in this video, we're gonna be checking out the nuLOOM. This is the Zola geometric Moroccan area rug in gray. They have multiple sizes available. We have the 4x6 version right here. If you're interested in this product, you wanna find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see that retail packaging. Check it out. This is how it's going to come packaged to you. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the contents. You can see the back side of the rug right here, so you can look at the product tag. They also include an FAQ section for you with additional information, walking you through what you need to know on your first day with common tips and tricks, as well as proper rug care and maintenance for you. It's definitely recommended to get some rug pads to protect your floor and keep your rugs in place. Now let's go ahead, let's flip the rug over. Now check it out, you can see how the rug looks. Really pretty pattern on this. And you may notice at the bottom right here, it's rolling back up on itself, so we will have to get some heavy objects like books or weights to put on the rug to help it get its shape. But check that out, look at how nice this rug looks. You can see it from this angle too to get a feel for how thick it is. And it will slide around on a hard floor or surface. So again, definitely a good idea to pick up some rug grippers, some rug pads to keep it in place. But you can see the rug right here. Everything looks great.